Miss Eco Teen Philippines 2023, Francine Reyes.
A pageant for its beauty standards and expectation of how candidates should present themselves. Yet my brave and fearless side of me embraced the challenge to break those stereotypes. I knew I had so much more to offer beyond those standards. Through my platform, I strive to address two important causes: fighting against sexual harassment and promoting the 3 R's to protect and nurture our Mother Earth. Thank you, Sir Arnold Vega and to the Miss Grand Philippines organization for making this dream possible. To my amazing team, Mommy Ian, Mommy Nod, Tita Efren, my stylists, Dems and Brian, and of course my mentors, Mama Shanti and Sir Carlos Apurco, and my designers, Mama Francis Lee, Sir Will Salvador, and Mama Delma Abalos. Thank you so much for making me look at my best. To everyone who has supported me along the way, especially my families, the Tionco, Reyes, and Chu families, as well as my fellow Tarlaqueños, Capaseños, and to the people of my Barangay Dolores, your unwavering love and support will always be in my heart. This week has been a journey I will cherish for the rest of my life. It has been a privilege to represent the Philippines, and I am deeply thankful for this extraordinary experience. Lastly, I am Francine Fatima Chonco Reyes, forever your Miss Eco Teen Philippines 2023.
Universal Woman 2024, Maria Gigante.
My journey as Universal Woman Philippines is short yet beautiful beyond my wildest dreams. But the path that led me here was a long one, and it was paved with challenges and heartbreaks. Yet in spite of it all, I held my purpose of serving my people and my dream of representing our country, the Philippines, close to my heart, until Tito Arnold presented me with an opportunity to make that dream come true. No matter how sudden, I trusted his vision, and with ALV Pageant Circle, Bench, Orachino, Mega World and Philippine Airlines, FIB Ortigas, Origin Management, and the LGU of Bantayan Island and Argao by my side, I did my best to bring that vision to life. Together we took a chance, and together we made history. Who would have thought that this little Morena Provinciana with a gift of gab would be the first Filipina to bring home the Universal Woman crown? I only wish that my late Mama Jonas was here to see it. To my dear family and friends, to my team, to my creative director Francis Chi, and my style team Dom, Juancho, and Renz, my makeup artist Jacket Puro and AJ Castro, my hairstylist Jonas Lucas and Jay Flores, my photographers Gabriel Sison, Kim Montes, and Troy Ann. You have been there with me every step of the way. Thank you. To my designers Fern Amato, Leo Almodel, Axel Cue, Rian Fernandez, Erin Montoya, and Edward James Castro, I am honored to be your muse. And lastly, to Tito Arnold, Tito Ben, and Tito Mix, thank you for seeing the potential in me that even I couldn't, for pushing me to achieve my fullest potential. I am so lucky to have you. To my successor, rest in the knowledge that you are the only you in the universe, and that is your superpower. You have the unique responsibility of expanding what it means to be a beautiful woman in the 21st century. No matter your age, your size, or your walk of life, remember that it is never too late to write your own unique chapter in the new era of beauty.
Miss Grand Philippines 2023, Nikki De Mora.
Joining Miss Grand Philippines was the most challenging decision I ever had to make. The journey was full of ups and downs, of victories and doubts. But no matter how daunting it was, I was ready to take a leap of faith and fly. And I flew because I have the most amazing team of fantastic individuals who helped me become the grand woman that I am today. I would like to thank the entire team of ALB Pageant Circle. Of course, Sir Arnold Vega Fria, Kuya Harley Tan, Philippine Airlines, my bench family, my Q&A trainer, Addie JT Tylo, my Pasarela trainer, Ian Mendahar, my wonderful glam team, Japeth NMJ, Sasha and Dale, and Angeline De La Cruz. The designers who made the dresses of my dreams, Tito Val Taguba, Sir Rian Fernandez, Rian Aglaza, Bonita Pinaranda, my styling team, Sir Vico, my friends, Kenneth Ramil and Carl Dioso, my dear team, Ryuji Shimizu, Jojo Bagrais for always providing comfortable and beautiful shoes, my photo team, Josh Tolentino, Jarwin, Kenneth Togan, Dennis Sulit, Michael Espinas, Biko Man, Andre Sulik, and Halio. Of course, my rocks, my family and friends, thank you for all the love and support. And finally, to my beloved country, I will not be here without the warm hospitality and the bayanihan spirit that Filipinos are known for. So for the last time, I will say my introduction, and I hope you all can say it with me. This is Nikki Apincla Jamona, Miss Grand Philippines!
Once again, our reigning queens, Miss Eco Teen Philippines 2023, Francine Reyes. Universal Woman 2024, Maria Gigante. And Miss Grand Philippines 2023, Nikki De Mora.
Your reign, and may your achievements serve to inspire the new inheritors of your crown.